Today on SETC we have 6 My Little Pony Equestria Girls surprise cubes. And on today's cubes we have the main 6. So we have Rainbow Dash, Fluttershy, Twilight Sparkle, Rarity, Applejack and Pinkie Pie. So let's start with our Rainbow Dash surprise cube. In here we have a Sheriff Callie's Wild West Series 2 blind bag. Oh, just look at all those characters to collect. Let's see who we have. We find Sheriff Callie. Oh, she is so cute. I just love her pink cowboy hat. And look at those cute boots. Awesome. Up next we have a My Little Pony mymoji figure. Oh, these are so cool. And they're brand new to our channel. Let's see who's inside. Oh! Just look how adorable this Fluttershy one is. Oh, those eyes. Oh, these are really, really cool. Oh, and they even have cutie marks on the side. Oh, they are so cool. Next, let's see what's inside our Fluttershy surprise cube. And our first surprise is a My Little Pony Funko Mystery Mini. And here are all the ponies you can collect. Oh, they are so cool. Let's see who we have. Ooh, I can see a horn. Can you guess who has a white horn? Awesome! We have the beautiful Princess Celestia. Oh, she's absolutely gorgeous. Look at her beautiful mane and tail. Oh, she's so awesome. Do you guys like Princess Celestia? Give us a big thumbs up if you do. We also have a Finding Dory Squishy Pops. Oh, these are so cute. Let's see who's in today's. And today we find Marlin. And Marlin is Nemo's dad. Aww. Look at those eyes. Next, let's see what's inside our Twilight Sparkle surprise cube. Oh, in here we find the adorable Dory. And this is a Funko Pocket Pop. Oh, she's so adorable. And look, she even has her cutie mark. Oh, we love Dory here at SETC. Do you guys love Dory too? Next we have a Furby Boom buildable figure blind bag. And as you can see, there are 5 to collect. Let's see which one we have today. Oh, cool! This is the Furby we have. Oh, it's so pink and fluffy. And it's got a super cool purple tail and a little tuft of hair. Aww. We also have a Season 5 Shopkins 2-pack. How cute are those backpacks? So our first Shopkin. Oh, it's an adorable little baseball. And this is a rare petkin, and her name is Bessie Baseball. And our second Shopkin is... Whoa! This is another petkin, and this one is Mandy Moose. Yummy, yummy! On our next surprise cube, we have Rarity. In here we find another Pocket Pop, and this is Rainbow Dash. Oh, how cute is Rainbow Dash? We also find an Ugly's Pet Shop Series 2 surprise can. Let's see which two ugly pets we have. So our first ugly pet is Turtle Terrier. Oh my goodness, just look how pink he is. And our second is a rare, and this is Putrid Persian. Oh my goodness. Ooh, we have another mymoji blind bag. Oh, let's see who's in this one. Oh my goodness, we found Discord. Oh, that is so awesome. Oh, I absolutely love Discord. Oh, this is one of my favourites so far. What do you guys think? Do you like Discord? He's so cool. In our Applejack surprise cube, we find a Funko Mystery Mini, and this is from the Civil War range. Oh, these look awesome. Look at those cool ones that you can collect. Let's see who we find. Oh, whoa, that is so awesome. We found Vision. Oh, whoa, look at his cape. Oh, he is so cool. And when you stand him up, he's actually standing on his cape, so it looks like he's floating. That is so, so cool. And check out that bobblehead. Whoa. We also find a My Little Pony Wave 15 blind bag. And in here we find Junebug. She loves to celebrate. Oh, she is so pretty. Look at that super bright mane and tail. And on our final surprise cube today, we have Pinkie Pie. And inside we find... Oh, just look how adorable Discord is as a Pocket Pop. Oh my goodness. We also have a DC Super Friends Imaginext blind bag. And inside we find... Haha! We have Two-Face. And he comes with his coin. Oh, he looks so cool. And our final surprise today is a My Little Pony Series 4 Fashions. Awesome! Let's see who's in this one. I'm really hoping this is the Crystal Pinkie Pie. Oh no, but that is awesome. We found Trixie. Oh, Trixie is so cool. She isn't very squishy and not very stretchy, but she is awesome. And there we have all of our surprises from our My Little Pony Equestria Girls surprise cubes. Give us a big thumbs up if you like My Little Pony and pop a comment below letting us know which of these surprises was your favourite today. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again soon.